All right, the mystery is solved. I was charged for my Silk and Sonder membership automatically for the second month because it's so weird. You signed up, or well, I signed up for a 3-month subscription and it said $19.95. So I was like, am I paying for 3 months ahead of time or is this like per month? So it's per month. It was charged to me like, I think a week ago, and it arrived today on Monday, January 24th, which is the February Silk and Sonder. So it looks like it has a new theme for the month, and I bet the interior is exactly the same. Now, I guess this sticker is different. I lie. I'm totally wrong. And over here, this is the same. And February, pretty much all of this looks the same except the Adoration stuff. And then the calendar just tells you nothing. I think it's just a weekly calendar, right? Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and flip through here. We have a note from Mia. We have Adoration, Deep Love and Respect. We have the Year at a Glance. Then we have a Month at a Glance. I don't know why. I do not like when like physical paper planners change from portrait to landscape with inside the actual document. I don't know why they do that. Bloom Daily Planners does that with their planners too. And I get it, like it looks better this way, but I just, once I've like set the notebook up one way, I don't want to change it the other. I know, I'm just, maybe I'm just old and set in my ways, but I just don't like when they do that. All right, January reflections. So it looks exactly the same. February intentions, same with the mood tracker, the habit tracker, the sleep tracker, the gratitude log. And it did come, I will mention, it did come with free shipping. And we have the Adoration journal prompts. So those are new. This is a new thing to color. I don't know why. I might be the only adult that doesn't get into coloring. I really like calligraphy. I do find that relaxing, but not coloring. Let's see, more Adoration stuff. All right, so this is new. It's a new recipe. And we have little hearts for your affirmations. Maze obviously is different. Expense tracker is the same. This is obviously different because it's a whole new week, but the questions are the same as well as the meal plan. And then you get the weekly. And then it looks like it just kind of rinse and repeats for the rest of February. And over here, currently loving, feeling, that's the same. Then we have another week, rinse and repeat again. Oh, I skipped one. Oh, same, just rinse and repeat to help you plan out your week, I guess. I don't know why. Is anybody else a fan of grids? I'm a fan of dot grids. Like I like the little dots, but whenever I see the grids, I don't know why. I just can't stand them. And I think it's because I accidentally bought a grid notebook in like 3rd grade or something, and I just didn't like it. That didn't really explain anything, but I just don't like grids. Okay, we're at the end. And that's it. So again, maybe I got it really quick because it's made in Southern California. I know Courtney was saying hers, she never got hers, like even after the month had started. And then even then she wrote them and they never responded. So I should follow up with her and see if she ever got hers, but this is my last month. I'm actually quitting Silk and Sonder because it's just not really, it's a little too touchy-feely for me. And I didn't really it's not like my thing, but you know, if you like it, and you know, flower patterns, those aren't really my thing either. However, I'm very impressed like how she makes this such a low cost item. $19.95, you get this planner, plus it gets mailed out for free, and you get access to the app. So I think it's a really good value though for the money if you like this style and the touchy-feely stuff. So remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for a free course, Planner 101, and I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.